So guys, welcome back again to Tech Solution YT. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded in this channel. So I was scrolling through Twitter, that's now x.com, and then it has come to my attention that you guys are looking for the full video. So when I got to twitter.com, I was scrolling through and that's when I found the video. So if you're looking for the videos on the new Sora AI, all you have to do is search for Sora AI in the search tab, and then you're just gonna come to people, and then once you're on people, you can see these different accounts right now. So scrolling down, you can see this account that says Sora AI clips. So you can see it here, Sora AI clips, that's Sora Open AI clips, and you can see the very fascinating videos from the Sora AI. All videos have been posted here. You can see it's all you have to do is they just drop the prompts there, and then they drop the full video. So you can check out these fascinating videos that are completely AI generated. None of these videos have been made by any humans. All these videos are completely AI generated. You can see this 9-second clip of a video created by Sora, and this is a glass turtle moving through a black sandy beach, and you can see the movement of the turtle's legs and all. Everything is completely AI generated, and there's almost no way you can tell from this clip that this is AI generated. So you can keep checking through this page for you to see more fascinating clips. I'm going to be putting the account of I'm going to be putting the tag of this account in the comment section and also in the pin tweet, so you guys can check that out. And if you're also looking for the best Sora AI compilation videos, I already made a video on the compilation, and I made a short movie trailer on the Sora AI video. That's a full video of the Sora AI movie trailer, and I made a video talking about why Sora AI makes bad videos and how to use Sora AI by OpenAI. So that's all for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.